Hyundai Sonata. Doing the rear brake pads. I did remove the cover of my reservoirs on the driver's side just to keep an eye on the fluid. 21 millimeter is going to take off your tire. 21 millimeter lug nut. Alright, once you get your tire off, you see our caliper. Caliper's right here. You have two 14 millimeters that hold it on. 14 millimeter there, and a 14 millimeter down there. I'm going to take those two out and remove your caliper. So I just break it loose with a ratchet and a socket. It's a ratchet and a socket, 14 millimeter. So I break it loose. Just use the electric ratchet. Come all the way out. Now you want to grab your caliper and just pull it toward you. And this will compress your piston in there. Make it a lot easier to get off. And that's it. Rest that right there. And remove your old pads. Try to get it out by hand. If not, just take your little pry bar, push it out. Remove them. Alright, old brake pads removed. If your piston and your caliper wasn't compressed all the way, you can use a seat clamp and an old brake pad. Just turn that clockwise. Alright, piston's been compressed. Old brake pad, new brake pad. And take note of that wear strip. That's going to be your inner pad. And with these pads, you want to push them up and then slide it over that lip. So you want to install it like that first. Push it up and then in like that. Same thing for the inside pad. Alright, pads are in. Usually you have anti-rattle clips, but new pads didn't come with any. And whoever did these brakes before lost the old ones. Now you want to lube these guide pins. I've already done that. Push them in. Now reinstall your caliper. Alright, caliper back on. Reinstall your 14 millimeters. Put back in your 14s. Put back on your tire. Same process on the other side. Cover back your reservoir and pump your pedal before you drive off. That's the Hyundai Sonata rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.